Hello everybody, my name is Eric and I wanted to do an unboxing and review of the Pit Boss Lexington Pellet Smoker. I am just about to get into smoking and I was doing my research and I decided to go with pellet smokers. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and we'll do initial thoughts and assembly, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we assembled the smoker. It wasn't too hard, but it is better if you do have two people just to put the legs on. Comparing it to the Tailgater, you go check out Darren Lamars' channel, which you definitely should because he has a Tailgater, and that was actually what I was going to buy, but I ended up getting this one instead. The legs on the Tailgater are already attached and they come out, and I guess that's because, you know, if you want to tailgate. This one is more like the classic, like over on Paul Q's channel. If you go check that out, he has a classic. But the assembly wasn't too bad overall. Now, as far as comparing this to the classic does have 700 square inches. This has 540, and the Tailgater I think has 340. So this is right in the middle. This does not have an optional chimney that the classic does, and again, if you want to check out Paul's Q channel, he'll let you know about all of that. It does have the screws for the optional shelf if you do want to go ahead and buy that, which is pretty cool. Comes with your standard grease bucket, foil liner. It's got your two probes here. Temperature dial is the same as both the Tailgater and the classic. It does have a larger hopper than the Tailgater. This is ranking in at 15 pounds. I don't know how many pounds a Tailgater has, but I think it is smaller than the Pit Boss Classic, which is 20 pounds. So this is again right smack dab in the middle. Besides that, this currently does not have a cover, so if you guys are going to go ahead and buy this, you might have to get a different cover, like maybe for the 700 series or the classic, just because it is so new. Pit Boss did say they're working on making a cover for this, guys, so we're going to just have to wait and see. But besides that, I'm going to do some temperature measurements, you know, and we're going to do the first burn off right now. I do got my external probe that I'm going to be using just to make sure that, you know, the swing of the temperature isn't, you know, too far off. I think 10-20 should be good, but anything over 50-60 is going to be a problem, so hopefully that doesn't happen, and then I will let you guys know what happens there with the temperature readings. Two other things that I do want to add, which might be very important for some people. This does not have the P setting that the Classic and the Tailgater and all of the other Pit Bosses do have. So that might be important for some people. I really don't care too much, so we're going to see how that works, but, you know, feel free to leave your opinions in the comments below if it is worth it. I really didn't find that too important because most people don't move it anyway. And the reason I bought this is because I think it just gives you the most bang for your buck because it's right in between that Classic and the Tailgater. Of course, if you are going to be moving around and doing a lot of tailgating, then definitely go check out Darren Lamar's channel. He does do an extensive review on that Tailgater. And as far as that, we're just going to get ready to power it on, do our burn off, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Do leave a like and subscribe. And that's about it. Hopefully you guys liked our review and our unboxing. So let's turn this puppy on and burn it off.